Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English lesson. The absolute fastest way to master English isn't by memorizing grammar rules. It's by learning how real people actually talk in real situations. Today, we're going to walk through 3 realistic daily conversations. We'll break down the useful vocabulary and natural phrases, so you can start using them right away. Let's dive in. Scenario 1, making weekend plans. Imagine you run into a friend or a colleague at the end of the week. Person A, hey Mark, got any big plans or weekend? Person B, not really, just planning to take it easy. I'll probably catch up on some reading. How about you? Person A, a few of us are grabbing lunch on Saturday afternoon. Do you want to join? Person B, oh, that sounds great. What time were you thinking? Person A, around 1 p.m. at that new pizza place downtown. Person B, perfect, count me in. Text me the details later. Person A, will do. Catch you later. Key phrases to remember. Take it easy equals to relax. Catch up on equals to do something you haven't had time to do recently, like reading or sleep. Count me in equals include me / I won't come. Will do equals short for I will do that. Scenario 2, dealing with delay or problem. This is a very common situation at work, school, or in daily errands when things don't go according to plan. Person A, hi Sarah, do you have a quick minute to talk? Person B, sure, what's up? Person A, I'm running a bit behind on the project report. My internet was down all morning. Person B, that's frustrating. When do you think you'll be able to finish it? Person A, I just need another hour or 2. I should have it over to you by 3 p.m. Person B, no problem at all. Thanks for letting me know. Key phrases to remember. What's up? Equals informal way to ask what's happening, or how can I help you? Running behind equals delayed / behind schedule. My internet was down equals my internet was not working. Thanks for letting me know equals thank you for informing me. Scenario 3, returning an item at a store. Here is how to handle customer service situations smoothly. Person A, hello. How can I help you today? Person B, hi there. I'd like to return this jacket, please. Person A, sure thing. Is there anything wrong with it? Person B, it's just a bit too small for me. Person A, I see. Do you happen to have the receipt with you? Person B, yes, right here in my wallet. Person A, great. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size, or would you prefer a full refund? Person B, a refund of my car would be great. Thank you. Person A, all set. It will take 2 to 3 business days to show up on your account. Key phrases to remember. Sure thing equals a polite, friendly way to say of course or yes. Do you happen to have? Equals a gentle, polite way to ask if someone has something. Full refund equals getting all your money back. All set equals everything is finished / completed. How to practice this script today. Read out loud. Don't just read this silently with your eyes. Say the lines out loud to practice your mouth movements and pronunciation. Play both roles. Read Person A's lines, then switch and read Person B's lines with a different tone. Change the details. Replace pizza place with coffee shop or jacket with shoes to practice adjusting sentences on the fly. Keep practicing these real-life conversations daily, and your confidence will skyrocket. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more real-world English practice. See you next time.